This is also my mate's, the same mate's MG Magnette. I'll give you some more details in a minute when he comes back. As you can see, it's in very nice usable condition. Got stainless steel bumpers. The rear lights are three-way, so you've got your indicators, brake light and stop light. Stainless bumpers on the front. The front side lights have been altered to make indicators, and the side lights are now in the headlights, which is pretty good. Alright, the engine is a 1622. It looks very neat and tidy. Engine bay is very good. There is a 5-speed gearbox fitted to it, which obviously makes it better for road use. Let's see if we can get some inside ones. Almost perfect condition. Hopefully you can see it. Obviously it's got a bit of use. Mileage is 44,000 and a bit. Big enough for a wheelchair in there, if you needed it. So the only bit of damage that needs rectifying is a bit on the sill there. Other than that, as you can see, everything's pretty good. Except for me in the picture.